Hi everybody, it's Susan from Sunrise Quilt Studio, and I thought I'd pop in today and give you an update because it's been over a month since I posted anything. My goal for starting in November was to get in the house by the end of the year because our lease was up on our rental house, and we did manage to get moved in the Saturday after Christmas. We had family come in and they helped us move. The house is not complete, but we have heat, we have a kitchen, we have a bathroom, we had the bedrooms. We're doing fine. We didn't have any interior doors up, but we got those up the first week we were here. I finished the tile in the master bathroom, and that's just waiting for the plumber to finish the plumbing part of it, so he'll have that done soon. Some other things we need to do is to put the trim on the interior of the windows and do whatever staining that we need to do for those. And the interior doors need to have a coat of polyurethane on them. So we still have things to do. Actually, the front porch needs the stairs and the railing on it, but we're going to need to wait until the weather's better. So right now there is snow on the ground, and the temperatures are the most that they've gotten to the last week, I think, has been in the mid-20s maybe. I think today may be a little bit warmer, but it's very cold and it's snowy, it's icy, so we're going to hold off until the weather's better, probably March. February weather in Missouri is kind of iffy. Sometimes we get good weather and it's warm, and other times it's not. Sometimes we get most of our winter weather in February, so it'll probably be March, maybe even April, before we get the exterior stuff done, like the railings and the stairs and stuff. But we also need to put the baseboards in. But so just not too many jobs on the punch list, but they all take time. So we are getting more done because we're living here. So we get home from work, eat dinner, and then we tackle a job and get that done and kind of move on. So it's nice having our own place again. We're still getting settled in. We still have things in boxes, of course, and I've got my kitchen all set, but I know that things will be moved around for a while. As I'm working in it, I'll find better ways to organize things. So that'll come with time, and that's not urgent. My sewing room is not set up. That will be in the basement with my long arm machine, and the long arm machine head is here. The machine part is here. The table is still in storage. It's not anything that's been urgent, so we've left that in storage, and we'll get that moved in probably later this spring, and I think get my sewing room set up. Hopefully I'll get the sewing room set up sooner than that, but that will need partition walls put in to kind of isolate that from the other side of the basement where my husband has his woodworking stuff. So kind of keep those separate so we don't have sawdust getting into my quilting stuff. So my sewing machine is sitting in the garage right now, and we need to get that in and put that in the basement. Not sure when that's going to happen because the basement it's got boxes of stuff, mostly my quilting supplies, my art supplies, my quilts, and some family things like our photo albums and things like that. Some things that were my parents are down there too. And then my husband on the other side, has all his woodworking tools, and that's where we're cutting the lumber for our projects here in the house. So we need space for that too. So I don't know when the sewing machine will go up. There's really just no place upstairs. This is a smaller house than what we were renting. Not by a whole lot, but it is a little bit smaller. And at the rental we use the third bedroom as my sewing room, but here the third bedroom is being used for my husband's office because I want all of his office stuff and his paperwork and all that, I want that out of our bedroom. I want it out of the main living area. So that was my choice. He did offer me that bedroom to be used as a sewing room, but I really didn't want that. Would mean all of his office stuff, his computer, all the boxes of paperwork and stuff would either be in the living room or it would be in our bedroom, and I didn't want that. So he gets the spare bedroom, and this way it'll be more like at our last house. All my sewing stuff will be in one area. So my sewing machine and my quilting machine and all my supplies, all my tools and fabric and stuff will all be in one place. So it'll be nice. And then we will eventually put a bathroom down in there too, so I don't have to go up and down the stairs, and be, you know, have a water source for filling the steam iron and that kind of thing. So it'll come out looking really nice, but it's going to be a while. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that we are in and things are going fine. And I think what I will do is start posting some videos on some of my completed quilts, some of my vintage quilts and other quilted things that I have. I'll maybe start doing that and just kind of keep the channel going so it's not lagging too long, because I know the algorithm is all messed up right now because I haven't posted in since before Christmas, so 6 weeks or longer, I'm guessing. So anyway, we'll be starting over, kind of taking a different path at this point, and then eventually getting back to making quilt tops. So anyway, I hope you all are doing well. I hope you're having a good year so far. I know the weather has been bad for a lot of people across the United States, and it's either flooding or, you know, they're having ice or tons of snow, and then there's other areas that should be getting tons of snow and aren't getting any, and it's, you know, kind of messing up their ski seasons and that kind of thing. So, you know, whether we can't control it, we can just kind of work around it. So anyway, that is it for now. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. For more quilting ideas, click on the video links, and to keep up with my latest projects, click on the subscribe button. I hope to see you again soon.